Did you know that there are 15 preventable factors that can affect the risk of breast cancer incidence? This intriguing question laid the foundation for an extensive study. The goal? To delve into these 15 factors and their influence on breast cancer occurrence. Using a systematic review and meta-analysis approach, researchers left no stone unturned in their quest for answers. This comprehensive research involved detailed screening of PubMed, Web of Science, and Scopus databases. The research didn't just skim the surface. Out of 147,083 identified studies, 197 were found to be eligible, encompassing a whopping 19,413,702 participants. The aim was to analyze prospective cohort studies that investigated associations between 15 factors in breast cancer. To evaluate the heterogeneity or variability between studies, they employed the chi-squared, tau-squared, and I-squared statistics. To probe the likelihood of publication bias, they utilized the Begg and Egger tests, along with a trim and fill analysis. The effect sizes were then expressed as risk ratios with 95% confidence intervals using a random effects model. Now let's dive into the results. The risk ratios associated with each factor were as follows. Smoking and alcohol consumption slightly increased the risk, while sufficient physical activity reduced it. Interestingly, being overweight or obese had different effects depending on whether a woman was premenopausal or postmenopausal. Nulliparity, late pregnancy, and the use of certain hormones also increased the risk, while breastfeeding and eating fruits and vegetables decreased it. Red meat consumption slightly increased the risk. And if you've ever undergone radiation therapy, the risk might be moderately increased, but this is based on a single study. These results paint a clear picture of how various lifestyle and health factors can influence the risk of developing breast cancer. It's time to take a hard look at what these findings mean for breast cancer prevention. The study's results offer an illuminating snapshot of the factors associated with the risk of developing this disease. By ranking and prioritizing these preventable risk factors, it paves the way for the design of impactful preventive programs. Let's summarize the implications of these findings by re-emphasizing them. Factors such as alcohol drinking, cigarette smoking, nulliparity, late pregnancy, postmenopausal overweight, red meat consumption, and history of radiation therapy significantly increase the risk. Among hormonal factors, the use of estrogen and progesterone showed a substantial impact. On the other hand, sufficient physical activity, breastfeeding, premenopausal overweight, and fruit and vegetable consumption can effectively reduce the odds. The study's findings underscore the critical role lifestyle modifications and strategic health choices play in reducing the risk of breast cancer. With this knowledge at our disposal, we can better strategize preventative measures, taking a significant step towards reducing the incidence of breast cancer.